QUOC is pleased to introduce to businesses the SMS 1300RR paint sanding machine. This machine is specially designed for primer sanding, veneer panel sanding, and removal of glue joints or paper seams on veneer surfaces, delivering higher precision and consistency compared to conventional drum sanders. The SMS 1300RR is an ideal solution for processing products such as doors, cabinets, and interior components, where a smooth, even, and stable surface finish is required before final painting. Even when sanding ultra-thin veneer panels of only 0.2 millimeters, the machine operates accurately without excessive abrasion or veneer penetration. After sanding, panels can be transferred directly to the painting stage, significantly reducing overall production time. With a working width of up to 1,300 millimeters, the machine easily handles wide panels commonly used in modern furniture manufacturing. Its heavy-duty frame construction ensures stable operation with minimal vibration, resulting in uniform surface quality. The conveyor system, combined with fixed pressure rollers, firmly secures the workpiece during processing, ensuring high precision and operational safety. Operators can easily control the machine via a user-friendly touchscreen interface, allowing quick parameter setup and real-time monitoring. Powered by high-capacity motors, the SMS 1300RR delivers fast processing speeds while maintaining consistent sanding quality. The finished surface is clean and smooth, ready for immediate transfer to the painting line, especially suitable for automatic UV coating systems, helping optimize production flow and efficiency. For furniture factories seeking precise paint sanding, superior surface quality, high productivity, and easy operation, this automatic paint sanding machine is a reliable and cost-effective solution. The machine is available in stock at competitive pricing. Contact quocduy today for detailed consultation and to see the machine in real operation.